Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitchen Gadgets. I am Esther Choi, and today I did not order pizza to eat for myself. This is actually the pizza box. So, $45 on Amazon. This claims that it makes pizza in 15 to 20 minutes with raw dough. That's shorter time than you ordering pizza and getting it delivered to you. Which probably, for me, takes about an hour. It looks like your pizza delivery box, and I think that that's kind of cute. There are these little dials here, which you can kind of control what sort of pizza you're making. You can make frozen pizza, fresh pizza, and this little function that says keep warm, which, you know, maybe you make pizza and like an hour later, this is still hot. When you open this thing, it looks like there's a heating element on the top, just on half of it. And then the bottom is another heating element just on half of this round diameter. So that means that it's only touching heat on half of the element and it'll spin while it cooks. Will it cook evenly? Will it brown evenly? And this looks like it's not flat, which kind of concerns me because I feel like some areas will be like indented and the browning element. All right, so let's see how nifty this thing is. Let's make some pizza. This says do not preheat, so I'm not gonna plug this in until I'm ready to put the actual pan in here and cook. Today I'm just using very plain ingredients, pizza dough from your local pizzeria or your supermarket, some bench flour, my board. So I am a little skeptical just because if it's shitty pizza, I'm not gonna eat it, so. Dough in pan. Now sauce, cheese, and of course pepperoni, because for me, it's really important to see how the pepperoni crisps up. There we go. So let's do this. Plugging in the pizza machine. My beautiful pizza, and close. So 15 minutes for fresh, and then you have your green and red, and right now it's on red because it is cooking. And right now I'm getting a little nervous because I just turned it on and I see it smoking, and it's been less than a minute, but I'm not gonna touch it, and it's scaring me a little bit. What do you normally do when you wait for pizza? I normally drink a lot of beer, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the heat light went off. There was no music or anything, and okay, I'm gonna take a peek because I smell, oh, ooh. I think I'm gonna pull it at this point. This looks pretty ready to me. So I'm just gonna taste it. I see bubbling. It's nice and brown. The cheese I feel like is a little bit browner than I want it to be. But for me, the most important part of a good pizza is the crust. It sounds okay, but it's really the bottom, right? Comes right off. And then the bottom, crispy. Definitely crispy. Yeah, so I pulled this at 15 minutes. Maybe it needs a little less time. So I would recommend checking your pizza at like 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 14 minutes, just so you know the progress of your pizza, and maybe sometimes you want, you know, your pizza a little bit less browned. The thickness is a little thick, but I think it's fine because it's still cooked through. That's really decent. It's not gonna be like the pizzeria guy that's been doing it for like 30 years. Homemade pizza. It's not the best, but it's like very decent. And it will satisfy your cravings. This would be good for a student who lives in a dorm that doesn't have an access to oven and maybe wants to make pizza in their dorm room for their friends. It's damn good pizza. $45? You'll definitely be the coolest guy in your dorm or on your camping trip, wherever. I was skeptical going into it just because I just didn't feel like the half heating element was like the ideal situation. But honestly, exceeded my expectation, and I would buy that for $45. Would you? For more ways to be a dorm room king or queen, click here.